In this problem, we're asked to come up with a probability distribution when we have 25 students and they've given us their ages and we've counted them. So we have 2 students of age 17, 13, age 18, and so forth. So we're asked to find the probability distribution. So we have X, which is the event space. So we have people who are 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. And then we're supposed to find what is the probability for this event happening, right? So what is the probability that somebody is 17? What is the probability?